Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing the strap and opening the back. Uses 0. 8.1. 2 pry tool and precision driver. Explain why. Many failures begin at seals or battery contacts, so you document screw positions and take photos as you work. Once the case is open, inspect for corrosion, loose connectors, and a swollen battery. Make sure to keep screws organized in labeled cups. This saves time during reassembly and prevents cross-threading or lost parts. Now you diagnose the core fault. Test the battery voltage and flex cable continuity with a multimeter and probe connectors gently. If the screen or battery is faulty, swap in manufacturer spec parts. Explain why. Mismatched connectors or capacity can damage the board. While replacing, use an ESD mat and tweezers. Avoid bending the ribbon cables sharply. Once parts are seated, reconnect and power briefly to confirm display and touch response before sealing the case again. Finish by replacing the gasket and applying a small amount of silicone grease to restore water resistance. This step prevents future ingress. Retorque screws evenly in a star pattern to avoid case distortion, then run a 15-30-minute functional test of sensors, touch, and wireless. If problems remain, remove the back and recheck board-level connectors and solder joints. A soft reset often clears firmware glitches. If you see corrosion or lifted traces, stop and consult a board repair specialist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.